Following the United States launch of a government-wide campaign against the International Criminal Court or ICC, former Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo said it is long overdue to stop what he described as the tribunal's interference in the sovereignty of countries, particularly those that are not members of the court. He also had a message for the administration of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. regarding this issue. This report. Former Chief Presidential Legal Counsel Salvador Panelo commended the Trump administration's decision to launch a government-wide campaign against the International Criminal Court or ICC. According to Panelo, it is long overdue to stop what he described as the ICC's interference in the sovereignty of various countries, including the Philippines. Panelo said he supports the Trump administration's position of encouraging countries to withdraw from the ICC. He added that if member states continue to leave the tribunal, it could eventually lead to its dissolution. Panelo also argued that the detention of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte is an example of what he described as the ICC's unlawful interference in a country that is no longer a member of the tribunal. Panelo further claimed that the ICC interfered with the Philippine sovereignty through the cooperation of the Marcos Jr. administration, an act he described as unlawful. The former palace official also stressed that what he called the ICC's illegal and intrusive actions against non-member states should be stopped. Meanwhile, Panelo also had a message for the administration of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. This, he said, was in relation to the government's response to key national issues and the public sentiment reflected in recent surveys.
Yeah, ang Pilipino kahit na mabagal gumalaw. Pero pag gumalaw naman to, sigurado tanggal ka. Kaya yan ang ingatan ng minister. Kayo'y kailangan tanggapin nyo na ang katotohanan. Na talagang mulat sa pool, wala kayong ginawang wasto na matutuwa ang sambayanang Pilipino. And that is evident doon sa mga surveys.
It can be recalled that in March 2019, the Philippines' withdrawal from the International Criminal Court took effect after the administration of then-President Rodrigo Duterte decided to leave the Rome Statute, the treaty that established the ICC.